Hi guys. So many of you might be preparing for KS, and when it comes to KS, especially the mains ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, the most important thing is mains answer writing practice. Mains answer writing. So ಈ answer writing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, it is not just about just simply writing an answer. It is about addressing the demand of the question and giving the content and the context which the question demands and ending with the conclusion. With our past 8 years of experience and seeing hundreds of students write the answers, what we have observed ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, usually when we give a full length paper, say for example ಇವಾಗ paper 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, we give a questions from geography, polity and pubad. ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 8 questions 7 questions ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, usually students ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, polity being the easy, they will pick up all the 7 here, and geography being a little bit on the easier side or little bit compared to polity ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, they will answer 6-7 here, and pubad ಅಲ್ಲಿ they will leave out all the questions and maximum answer on 3 or 4. So they end up writing somewhere around ಒಂದು 15 16 ಬರ್ದು, they are like, okay sir, I'm happy 20 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 16 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, so I'm happy with this performance ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. But what students are forgetting ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the recent trend if you observe and what we are analyzing or what we are assessing ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see 2014-15 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ the syllabus was new and the scores were somewhere around 145 150 over ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So easily students could score this, and given 20 questions ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ and an average 6.5 to 7 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, they were on the safer side ಅಂತ we would predict. But come 2020, what happened is, sir, if you look at the scores of 2020 clear the students ಯಾರು clear ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, the general study scores are somewhere around 170 to 180, and if you go with 20 questions ಅಂದ್ರೆ, you are expected to score around 9 marks per question, and you are leaving out 4 to 5 questions ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, 4-5 questions into 4 papers, 20 questions, it is as good as not attempting one paper only. So ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ 4 ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರೆದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಬರೀ 3 ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರೆದು ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So when this is the case, you have to answer every question in the paper with the maximum or the best performance, so as to ensure that you get at least 8 to 9 marks, thereby pushing your score up to the higher bracket. So ಇದು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, the student need to practice everything whatever is mentioned in the syllabus copy. So when we say whatever is mentioned in the syllabus copy, ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So I would suggest Inspiro IAS ಏನಿದೆ, we have come up with the most unique and most holistic. When I say unique and holistic, I mean the same thing. So what do I mean by unique and what do I mean by holistic ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, sir, when we say unique, ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ we have launched a test series which was like full length paper or sectional paper, but for the first time we are launching the most unique one, which is module or the chapter wise ಒಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ we are going to provide. And when I say holistic, because every chapter ಗೆ we are going to give a test with at least 10 questions. So if this is the syllabus ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, this is your public administration syllabus. ಒಟ್ಟು 7 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಗೂನು we are going to give 10 questions mini test, so that you are going to write 7 tests with 10 questions each, thereby answering every chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ 10 question ಬರ್ದಾಗ you would have covered the entire syllabus thoroughly. Plus we will add a full length test also at the end. So allige, if you take up any section, say for example if this is your geography anta tagondre, in geography for the India and the world we have 2 chapters, 20 questions, India geography 20 and Karnataka geography 20, and one full length test we are going to provide. Andre illondu unit wise 10 question, idukondu unit wise. So pratiyondu unit go you have to write. So the test will be in the form of, say for example, Wednesday and then Sunday. So every Wednesday you have to write first unit, Sunday you will write second unit, next Wednesday third unit, next Wednesday fourth unit, itara. So you will keep on writing the test for a period of 2 to 3 weeks depending on the number of units. If there are 6 units ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it will be over in 3 weeks, and if there are 7 or 8 units ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, it will stretch to 3.5 to 4 weeks. So ಈ ತರ you are going to complete every sectional unit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That is what I mean by unique and holistic, and it will be the most comprehensive also, obviously, because it is not just about seeing and simply writing. We are going to analyze how the questions have come in the previous year. We have papers of 2014 ಇದೆ, 2017 ಇದೆ, and 2020 exams. The notification may be of different years, but exams ಆಗಿರೋದು ಈ years ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have the 3 previous year papers. So previous year questions are units in the ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ we are going to analyze. Based on this analysis, what we have done is we have made notes. ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, which and all topics should be covered from a given dimension. ಒಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we have covered complete notes. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೈಸ್ we are going to give you the test, and at the end to test your complete knowledge we are going to do the full length. So that is why I said unique, holistic and the most comprehensive test series that you can ever write, so as to maximize your score. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ at least you should have written the similar question or the same question on the dimension ಬರ್ದು you should get at least 8 and up to 9 marks per question. So ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, because as I already said today the exam is around 180 marks ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೇನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. And 180 by 20 is 9 marks per question. You have no opportunity or you cannot take the chance of even leaving 1 or 2 questions also, because 1 or 2 questions bit ಬಂದ್ರು per paper ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you are giving out 10 questions ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are short by around 90 to 100 marks. So gone case. So practice is the key to success, and you can practice unit wise, thereby ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ that I completed the syllabus completely, and you can go to examination hall with confidence and compete with others there as to ensure your success. So please